Standard Second. Subject English. Lesson 30. Word Basket. Hi children. Today we will learn some words with the letter O in it. Children, can anyone tell what is the sound of O?
Ma'am, it's O.
Very good. Let's read some words with O sound in it. Fox,
Fox,
ox,
ox,
box,
box,
toy,
toy,
boy.
boy.
Now I will show you some pictures and words. On the other side, you have to read the word and match it with the correct picture.
Fox, box, toy, boy, ox.
Well done, children. You can see a flower basket with words on it, and some flowers with same words as on the basket. Let's match them.
Caught, caught, got, got, hot, hot, not, not, dog, dog, pot, pot, hop, hop, box, box, top, top, boy, boy, fox, fox, joy, joy.
Very good. Children, do you remember some more words with the sound O in it? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, we can try. Cord, dot, got, lot, rod, pod, mop.
I appreciate your efforts. Keep it up. It's time to read some simple sentences. A dot, a red dot. A red dot on a pot.
A dot, a red dot, a red dot on a pot.
A toy in a box. A boy got the toy.
A toy in a box. A boy got the toy.
A dog, a big dog. A big dog on a log.
A dog, a big dog. A big dog on a log.
Let's do one more interesting activity. See these pictures and guess its first letter and read it.
Fox, boy, cat, dog.
Very good.